Jesika Alisia. This time I will explain a tutorial on making rice, which is definitely delicious. And as a ingredient, there is rice, cooking oil, half a spoon of masako, half a spoon of salt, soy sauce, finally chopped shallots, garlic and chili. Let's start. Turn on the stove and heat it up. After heating, pour oil and heat it. And next, put the chili, shallots and garlic. Next, add flavoring such as a masako and salt. Next, put the rice into the pan. Stir until well blended. Wait a few 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, finally add soy sauce as a flavor enhancer. Stir the soy sauce until it blends with the fried rice. After the rice is cooked, turn off the stove, remove and serve on a plate. And fried rice is ready to eat. Guaranteed delicious, guaranteed food.